Okay, so we have two trees on our car. Dixie, get in here. Get in here now. Get in here. Get in. Inside. Inside. Yes.
Is this your umbrella?
Yeah. I'll get it later.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Get in here now. Inside. Inside. In. So, tornado. Yes. We have our two trees in the front yard are on our car, and there's another tornado right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Please go the other way. Please go away.
Look at the clouds. The upper ones aren't moving and the lower ones are.
At 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Environment Canada has issued a tornado warning.
Please go away.
Christ, I missed it. See the big swirl going on with the debris? I thought I hit record,
Yeah,
but
I got a video of it.
Please go away. Please go away.
From work, there was so much lightning